In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Todoist quickly and easily without needing to manually reinstall anything or go through a complicated process. If you've been wondering why Todoist looks outdated or why a new feature isn't showing up yet, the fix is usually much simpler than people think. You can often get the latest version instantly by refreshing your browser page. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. If you're using Todoist in your browser, the first thing to know is that you may not need to do a full manual update at all. Todoist is a web-based app, which means the newest version can often load automatically through your browser. So if you want to update Todoist to the latest web version, all you need to do is refresh the page. On Windows, you can press F5 to reload the page. If you want a stronger refresh that clears cached content and forces the browser to load the newest version, use Ctrl and F5 together. On a Mac, you can usually use Command and R to refresh the page, and in some cases, a hard refresh may help if something is not displaying properly. This is especially useful if Todoist has just rolled out a new interface, a bug fix, or a feature update, and your browser is still showing an older cached version. When you refresh, the browser reconnects to Todoist and pulls in the latest web files, which can instantly make the updated version appear. If the page still looks the same after a normal refresh, try the hard refresh method. That extra step is important because your browser sometimes stores old files to load pages faster, but that can also prevent you from seeing the newest changes right away. So again, for most users, the fastest way to update Todoist is simply to reload the page. No manual update, no extra downloads, and no complicated settings. Just refresh and you're done. If you use Todoist in multiple tabs, make sure you refresh the tab that has the app open. If you are signed into the mobile app or desktop app instead of the browser version, the update process may be handled through your device's app store or software update settings. But for the web version, the refresh method is the easiest fix. This is a great trick to remember anytime Todoist seems stuck, laggy, or missing a new change. It's often just a browser cache issue, and refreshing solves it immediately. So to recap, if you want to update Todoist, you do not need to manually update in most cases. Just refresh your browser page using F5 or Ctrl and F5 to load the newest web version instantly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.